Here at Tormach, we love to tell your stories. So here's David Stanavich from Wax Rax, who's doing some really cool things for vinyl record collectors.
Wax Rax boutique manufactures storage and accessories for vinyl record collectors. We make the world's finest vinyl storage, or should I say access units, because I think of storage as something like out of sight, out of mind, and records are meant to be enjoyed and played. So we have vinyl record access units, a full line of carts, consoles, and shelving. We produce these parts 100% in-house using the Tormach. The material choice is either brass or 303 stainless. So this is one of the now playing album stand. While you're playing your record, you can set the album cover in your stand. And so we start off with a blank and then machine out the base. And then we fabricate the brass hardware, the rail, the little inserts and such. And then hand finish each piece with a Danish Oil finish. So all these little hardware parts were done on the Tormach. So this hardware, it's all anodized aluminum, and that's really one of my materials of choice. And I make all that hardware in-house. We also rely heavily on the Tormach to engrave our logo. It just adds something special and also brands our product to make it clear in the marketplace that, yeah, that patented 45 adapter that, you know, jumps right out at you when you see it, looks really unique. Oh yeah, there it is, it's Wax Rax. I relied heavily on the Tormach PCNC to prototype and proof out different parts in the design process. So I use the mill as almost like rapid prototyping. I'm able to go from the CAD, the SolidWorks CAD design, straight to making chips in a real short linear fashion. So it's been an invaluable tool in production of my furniture, but also in the development of my patented designs. I believe I heard about Tormach right around maybe 2006. I'm trying to think what magazine, but I saw the ad in a magazine. I said, this is amazing, because CNC milling, I wanted it desperately, but it was just out of reach. I would go to auctions, I would see equipment that no one would even bid on because really you didn't know whether or not it was even going to run. And the controller software was unknown at best, you know, so it was going to be like a complete restoration project of a machine that probably had had lived its useful life as a piece of equipment. So I was discouraged. I really wanted to get into the thing. When I heard about Tormach, I said, okay. So I planned and saved, and a year later, I got one of their first series PCNC 1100 mills, and it's been running in the shop ever since. So 10 years now I've been using it, and I've been using it extensively to develop products, to do unique one-of-a-kind pieces for clients and customers, and also to do short boutique runs of my own product line. The Wax Rax furniture line is dedicated to the vinyl record collector, to preserve, access, and enjoy the music library, the vinyl record library. So if I need 24 or 32 pieces of hardware, we go to the PCNC, we set it up, we do a mini production run, and we make it ourselves. And it's working out really nicely because we're offering a very unique, striking piece of hardware that's going to last, 1,000 years, and we're doing it right here in-house.
Thanks for watching. Check out all of our latest videos here, and for more metalworking tips, tricks, and stories, subscribe to our YouTube channel.